No sir, not again. It's the Gruesome Twosome, and we back for another video. Today, I bought Lego. Don't kill me, Ash, please. Today, you might have noticed, I have a random item generator on behind me. Also, peep. Yeah, no, okay, anyway. I have a random item generator on behind me, and I'm going to try and build literally whatever it says. It's just gonna generate random items. See, randomize. Boop. Toilet paper tube. Yep, it's just anything random. I wanted to do this with Ryan, but unfortunately he's away at college and cannot do that currently. So for now, we're just gonna do it by myself. And I eventually want to turn this into a series. So I keep on looking at myself, and I should be looking right there, but it's hard because I got the ring light, and you guys know how it goes. Anyway, so looking at the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna be building anything. So I'm going to get these opened up, and look how cool this box is, right? I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna open them up now, and I will be back once it's all opened. You thought I was gonna turn it off, didn't you? You thought I was gonna cut right there, didn't you? No, you guys are gonna watch me. No, you're not. It's gonna take too long, probably. I don't know. Okay, so it's all open up. There's a lot of bags. Nice little base plate. And 2 instruction books for random stuff to build, which I'm not gonna look at those. I'm gonna pick that up later, don't worry. Now I'm going to unbox the unboxed items, and honestly, dude, I'm just gonna mix it all in the box and like, I mean, it's all like color coordinated, right? So here's the blacks, here's the blues, here's the greens, yellows, browns, and oranges, reds, browns, and whites, more blacks and whites, purples, pinks, and whites, orange and yellows and less yellows, green, blue, pink, green, yellow, orange, blue, half brown, half white. I'm gonna get all these open up, thrown in the box, and they're just gonna be all jumbled together, and I'm gonna build random stuff. So how bad would it suck if I like open one of these and then just like just pieces everywhere? That would suck, right? Little eyes in there, little googly eyes. It's cool. Bag inside a bag. A lot of little pieces, and honestly, I'm regretting my decision in opening all of these colors and mixing them all together. So if my calculations are correct, which they always are because I'm fantastic at math, the box has 300 pieces. The big box has 484 pieces. So if my math is correct, everything in this box is 784 pieces. I have all these pieces in here. Randomizer time, let's go.
Yay!
Sofa. So, I'm thinking that I have no idea where to start. Okay, I've gotten somewhere. It's been about say like the better part of like 20 minutes. So I got this.
Boy, if you don't get...
Excuse the nails, please. Not that I care, but it's been a minute since I've groomed myself. I work overnights. Anyway, been about 20 minutes and I have this, so I'm doing pretty good so far. Oh, those are 2 different shades of yellow. Oh no, baby. All right, so I kind of like the arms of the couch, right? Right? Okay. Literally just like 4. I need 4. This is 6. I did find 4. It's got the little studs in the front, but it's okay. We'll set that aside for now. Ooh, these roundy pieces to make it look round on the arms. Yeah. Oh, it's been about another hour.
Bruh.
So far looking good. I got the studs on the back just because I had to use that one piece. I can't find another one. But I'd say doing pretty good for like a little yellow couch, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now the couch got a rounded top. Yes, sir. Alright. Cushion time. What should I use for the cushion? To act as like a cushion. Get them flat on there because that's going to kill me. Good thing I got nails. And last step, I'd like to make these rounded. I gotta give it legs. Duh, all good couches have legs. I did find some rounded bits. I just want to say I'm really challenging myself here. Another one. DJ Khaled! Bam, now the couch has legs, baby. Yeah, yes sir. Alright, so we got the top of the couch. We finished the arms. Looking for another one of these to complete the arm. Alright guys, so I found this little blue rounded piece that I put in the middle, kind of for like a lumbar support thing. I don't know, that is cool, because it matched the arms, which I finally found all the pieces that I need to complete the arms. I'd say that's a pretty darn good looking couch. I mean, like, right? I'd sit in it. I should put that on a t-shirt. Alright, so next item. Probably gonna do like 3, maybe. I think that's a good number. A car. Gotcha, dude. This is gonna be sick. Probably not, because I don't know like anything about cars, but found a whole bunch of these rubbery tires, and then these little gray pieces that go in the middle of them. I only found one of those so far. And we're gonna put that right there. That right there. That's better. Well, that's what I get for being lazy, huh? See these? They don't go into the big ones. It doesn't work. I guess size does matter. These 2 things, and these are going to be like the body of the car. Okay, okay. Okay, I don't need that. Car. Not done, obviously. We have these like, so we have these clear pieces we could definitely use as windshields. Definitely want these. Definitely. If we're gonna have the red accents, baby. Yes. Yes, with the red sidewalls, baby. Okay. Little windshield. Okay, we got something going on here. There's something going on. Then, you know, Legos is about having fun. It's not about how good you are. So don't judge me. Bam. Look. That's a friggin' car, dude. I know exactly what cars look like. And that's what they look like. Okay. And I think with that, we're good to go, friend. So, 2 builds out of the way. A whistle. I have no idea how I'm gonna build that. Okay. I like how this looks. This kind of looks like a, you know, like the, right? So, you have that. This one is just going to be random colors because I can't be bothered to look for items of the same color anymore because I shouldn't have done what I did. Because I already know what a whistle should look like, okay? And I think I got it down already. Don't laugh at me. Bam! Whistle, look, there's a little top where the whistle part goes out, look. See, it even works. So you can't tell me that it's not a whistle because you just clearly hear me. Come on now. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. So we did 3 builds. Couch, which in my opinion is the worst. Car, which in my opinion is second worst. And whistle, which in my opinion is third best. Okay? So, leave a comment which one you guys think I did the best. Whistle. I was going to say sock. Why? Couch. Or car with boosters that are definitely not headlights. But there you go. And I think I want to turn this into a series. So definitely I will see you guys next time. Whatever the next video is, I don't know. I think Ryan's got a plan for something while he's away at college. But I definitely want to be doing more of these LEGO challenges because this is fun. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.